Welcome back. Let's get to the next problem, which is constructing a binary tree from in-order and level order traversals. In this problem, we'll be given in-order and level order traversals, and we need to create a binary tree having all the nodes at the proper place. For example, these are the in-order and level order traversals. Now to construct a tree, we'll be needing a root node first, right? And we know in level order traversal, the first node is the root node of the tree. So we get our root here. Now to get left and right subtrees, we use in order sequence. We search for the root in order, and all the left nodes to the root must be the part of the left subtree, and all the right ones must be part of the right subtree. Because in order, the order of traversing is left, root, and then right? So as soon as we have our left and right subtrees, we recursively find root and their subtrees. Like for this in order sequence of the left subtree, we find the value that appears first in the level order traversal, which is 5. So 5 will be the root, and all the values before this root will be in its left, and all the values after root node will be in its right subtree. So the idea here is we start with creating the root node that is present at the minimum index in level order traversal, and then we find the boundary of left and right subtrees with the help of this root index, and recursively repeat this for every node in the tree. So for every recursive call, the boundary of in order will be start to end index. That is, we need to find the minimum indexed element in level order from these elements present in the range from start to end. And we keep on doing that until we get to the last node. Like here, start is at 0 and end is at 3. Root for this subtree is 5. So the left subtree for this call will be from index 0 to 0. So we create a root for the subtree with value 1 and check for left and right subtrees. But as you can see, pointer end cannot be further decreased and start cannot be increased. So in that case, we simply set null to the left and right side of it. So this is the base case. When start is greater than end, we return null. So this was the approach to construct the binary tree from in order and level order